Hi, it's Laura Gray from Medigraytion, and today I'm going to do a very quick 3-step lesson on how to contain and shrink the herpes simplex 1 cold sore fever blister virus using Medigraytion. Medigraytion is using consciousness to move into your body and change your physiology. That's sort of the quick definition of what a Medigraytion is. It's using meditation and a deeper level of consciousness to actually bring awareness to your physiology and make actual changes in your body. So, step 1. First is the fact that you need to understand that a herpes virus is a virus that is contained within your nerve cells, and it lays dormant for so long, and then it'll flare up when your immune system actually is weakened. So the first thing that you want to do is understand that viruses aren't necessarily all bad. They can have some really beneficial attributes to them. Specifically, the herpes virus, this herpes virus has been shown that it actually strengthens the immune cells against certain bacteria in the gut that are actually even more of a problem for your immune system than the herpes virus itself. So it's almost like a protective weightlifting practice for your immune cells. So the next thing is, the first step of this is to actually use your consciousness and go right into the area that the herpes virus is. So obviously mine is, there's actually a little one right there, which is why I was doing this, this little lesson, was that just yesterday I started to have a flare-up and I didn't want it to turn into this big blister, so I went in and I did about a 20 to 25 minute Medigraytion, and you can see that it's just such a teeny tiny little spot, and it never flared up to that blister. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to actually go in, and in 3 steps. The first step is to go in and speak directly to the virus. Allow the virus to stay in your body. Say, I understand that this is a symbiotic relationship, but you need to actually cut your numbers down. You've gotten to the point where my immune system is having a reaction to you, and that's the place where it's like almost like a boundary with the virus. So let the virus know you can live here, but you need to live here on these terms. You can't affect my immune system to the point where it feels like it needs to defend in this flaring way. Then the next thing that you do, step number 2, is you actually go and you speak to your immune cells. And the immune cells that are usually at the top of the line for killing the herpes virus are natural killer cells. You don't need to know that. You can just sort of talk to the immune cells. And what you want to say is, I so appreciate that you're protecting me. You may have overreacted a little bit. So still let the immune cells come in and do their job and kill the virus, because the virus did get, higher in numbers. But then let the immune cells know, and your whole immune system, that this is something that once the white blood, once they're killed and the virus is killed and the natural killer cells are trying to disperse themselves and you've got that pus, just go ahead and slowly disperse yourself so that there isn't this big flare up. And then the last and final step is to, because the virus is held in your nerves, you want to calm your nerves. They're the ones sort of sending the signals back and forth saying, alarm, we've got this virus that's going out of control. Let the immune system know this. So that's a big piece, is going in, and wherever the nerve cells are, what you want to do is just use an energetic salve and energetically really calm the nerve cells. And you'll be able to feel these things. You should be able to, as you get better. It takes a little bit of practice, but you'll be able to feel the different stages as you're doing this, like the tingling will go down and the calming, just imagining your nerve cells being calmed. So that's it, 3 steps, and hopefully that will help shrink the herpes virus on your lip. I know I love being able to do this. Also, follow me on, you can go visit the website at medigraytion.com. There are a bunch of there are some free Medigraytions. There are also some free Medigraytions on YouTube. You can try them out. And then also, if you see anybody with a herpes virus, definitely share this video. You can follow me on Medium, where I do some writing. And I think that's it. So have a great day. Bye-bye.